Hello, welcome everyone to question number 4 in strings. Recursively remove all adjacent duplicates. This is from Geek for Geeks Most to Coding interview questions. Just have a quick look at the question. I will be discussing the approach and the meaning behind it. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you like the video, please give us a like. And now let's understand the meaning. Okay. The question is saying there is some given string, and in the string there can be a duplicate value. Okay, duplicate values in a row. Okay, the duplicate values are continuing. Suppose in this example, in this given example, AB, CC, BCC, BA is given, right? Now here CC is continuing in a row. Okay, whenever the alphabet continues, whenever you see two duplicate characters at the same place in a row, then we have to delete them. Okay, now visually you can see the characters CC, two duplicates are there. This is the first time, right? Now remove this, we will get some character that will be A, B, 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 A. This is after first remove. Okay, this is after first time removed, we got this value. Again we have to check. Okay, again we have to check after removing the above characters, is there any other character that is continuing now? Yes, B is continuing again, right? Now AA will be there with the second time. Okay, now we have to check again the characters are unique or not. Okay, all the characters should be unique, and remember, whenever the character is in continuous order, then only it should be unique. Suppose this is ABA, then there can be two characters. Now we got AA, right? Now again we have to check if there are any characters that are in continuous order. The characters are in continuous order, then we have to remove it. Yes, AA is there. So in the third recursion, we will get nothing. Okay, we have no string now. Now string is empty. So this is what we have to do. This we have checked it, like how many times we have checked? We have checked 3 times. Okay, and we are using the recursion approach. Okay, this will happen. We will get this output in first recursion. We'll get this output in second recursion, and we will get this output in third recursion. Okay, now I hope you have understood how can we remove the adjacent duplicate values visually. But coming to the code, how can we approach? Now let's see that part. Okay, now this is the code that I have already ran in the Geek4Geeks website, and I'm showing it now because it will be very easy to understand when I'm explaining, and you can see the code at the same time. Okay, now it says result is equal to null value. So this one is there, right? This one will be stored. This output will be stored inside this result variable here, that is here, right? Then we are taking I equal to 0. Okay, while I is smaller than length s. Okay, and this is the same thing happening. So I is at now 0th index now. I is at this index now. Okay, and let us observe the loop carefully now. Okay, in the first recursion. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, this is the first time when we are entering, we're doing this. Now we are checking if I plus 1 is smaller than length of s. Yes, length of s is obviously greater than the index number. So this condition is true. Now right side is si equal to I plus 1. So si plus 1 means s0 plus 1 s1, right? Is s0 is equal to s1? No, it is not, because a is not equal to b. So if condition is not satisfied, we will go directly to the else condition. Now here we have result variable, right? In this result variable, okay, now we are adding that a character. We are adding a character, and I plus 1 is updated now. Now I will be at B position. Okay, now I is at the B position. I is at now B position, and the loop again, the loop will continue. I is smaller than length of s. Yes, length of s is 9, and I is index 1. Okay, it is smaller, so it will continue. It will again check if I plus 1 is smaller than length s. Yes, it is smaller, and as I equal to si plus 1, it is not equal. So B will be stored again, coming to the else condition. Okay, B is stored now in else condition. Again I will be updated. Now I will be at the C position, right? Now again while loop, same thing happens. Okay, now C is equal to the next C or not? Yes, it is equal to next C, right? And this if condition also satisfies, now I will be updated. Now it will be here. Now I will be at next C. You know, again it checks, is the previous character equal to the current character? Previous character is C, current character is C. Yes, the both are equal. Then I will be updated again. So in this way, it manages to ignore the duplicate values. Now CC are not added to the result. Okay. Now we are at B position, and now it checks again, is the next character same or not? Next character is C. It is not same. It will go to the else condition directly. Now B is added. Okay. Now I will be updated. Now I will be at C position. Nice. I think you have understood till this part. Now again, the C condition it approaches. Now it will check next character is same. Yes, next character is same. Then I will be updated. Now it will check if the previous character is same. Yes, previous character is also same. Again, I will be updated. No, the same thing happens. B will be added because it is not different part. If B is added, B is not equal to A, so directly it will come here. Now again, the next character A will be added. I is updated here. Okay, and that is length is smaller than that, and these both conditions will not be satisfied, so it will come here now in the else part directly. So A will also be added, right? Now we got a new string. Okay, now we got this a new string. After that, this string will be returned inside this. You are seeing one statement in the return, right? Return statement here. If length is same, then we return the result immediately. If length of result and string is same, length of string is 9 and length of result is how much? 1 2 3 5. Okay, both are different. So if condition won't satisfy, it will go to the else condition and it will call the function again. Okay, now I have discussed previously that ABBA will be changed to AA and AAA will be changed to the null result here. Okay, there is no value because AA is a continuous duplicate. So after removing it, there is no element inside the string function here. So if you put the result again inside the remove function, you will get AA, and similarly after that this empty result you will get, and that will be our final output. I hope you have understood how the loop is working and you have also understood what is the adjacent duplicate. Okay, I hope with this the approach and the meaning part is very much clear to you. If you like the video, please give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have an extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support. Thank you for watching till now. Let's meet in another version.